Here we go, folks. Back at it again. Round two, Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. Just moved to Weaverville. Really excited about that. We're going to take Platt Motors to the next level, and this is a part of it. Look at this. Beautiful 1966 Ford Bronco. I overheated on the last video. I made it about 5 minutes in. There was nothing I could do, so I had to do a restart. Hopefully this time I make it through. I'm out here with my friend Nancy, and we are looking at her and her late husband Tom's Bronco. Wowzers. This thing is in remarkable condition. It was purchased right out here in Trinity County about 12 or 13 years ago. You can see we're way out in the mountains today, and it just doesn't get any better than this. I'm just hoping that I don't overheat on you, but let's take a closer look. Now, when they bought this Bronco 12 or 13 years ago, it was blue. It had the full top on it, but the half top was in the rear. The full top was not in the greatest condition. The half top was, so they had it refurbished, painted, along with the restoration work, and they made it into a half cab. But I have pictures of the blue one when they bought it, and it had the full top on it. The full top was not in good condition, so they do not have it anymore. They liked the half cab look with the bar in the back and having the open bed like like a pickup truck. So completely refurbished. It's got new seats. I don't know exactly what they're out of, but they're comfortable. Looks like we got an authentic original style steering wheel. Gauges look like they're functioning, and the odometer says 11,462. 3 pedals. So this started with a 3-speed on the tree when they got it. 289, rebuilt the 289, still was kind of gutless out in the mountains, so they ended up putting in a 302 with a 5-speed. Now they can go wherever they want. It is 4-wheel drive, which is very desirable. It's got a beautiful door panel. I saw one chip over here, but the rockers look good. Yeah, not sure what those seats are out of, but they're in great shape. I don't see any rips or tears or anything like that. Looks like it's got some speakers over there, so you probably are not going to want to take this top off. Some pinstriping. It's got a Sony CD player with Bluetooth, center console, carpet kit, 3 pedals. Delicious. This looks like my buddy Zeller did some pinstriping. Oh, she wanted me to show you the Oogle horn. Check this out. That was an old antique they had in the family. Decided to put it in the Bronco. I'm sure that's lots of fun at the car shows and the parades, because that's where this thing belongs. It is wrapped in 235 75 15s. Got some beautiful aftermarket wheels. Definitely my style. I see some exhaust tips. Check out the passenger side. Just hoping not to overheat. It's saying it's 94, but we think they're lying. It's got to be 100. Another beautiful door panel. Tasty rockers. I mean, I don't see any signs of rust or glaring signs of rust repair. But Nancy's got a binder with receipts in it, so we will dig through it and kind of do our discovery. That's what we do with Platt Motors. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. We got established in Anderson in 2014, but the original Platt Motors was started by Grandpa Dan in Elizabeth, New Jersey, and get this, 1931. That's classic Zeller right there. Classic Zeller. Now I see a little tiny little divot right there. I think it's just one. Got to get in the right sun to see it. And I'm pretty sure I saw a rock chip up front somewhere. Right there. A tasty rock chip. See if we can get this open here for you. Take a peek. There you go. There's a 302. Probably put in there maybe about 10 years ago. We just got some upgraded valve covers. They look great. There's the Uga horn. There's our reservoir. Looks like we got a aluminum radiator. We got a new battery. And Tom, being the cool, handy guy that he was, rest in peace, my friend, put a toolbox in here. Sharp guy. And so yeah, I mean, look at this thing. It's a 66. It's a Bronco. It's 4-wheel drive. I see worn hubs. I was so excited when I got the call. Don't get a lot of these coming through. And you know, when you get one, and just the people are cool, and the story's cool, and the history's cool. Looks like Tom may have been involved with the local fire department. And just super clean back here. Looks like it's like a Line X in the back. Now this is not a remake. These will go with the car. This is a real deal 66 California black plate. It's not the one the car was born with, but it's legit old school plate, not a reproduction like they do today, like I got on my pickup. That's the real deal, and stays with the car. So especially for California buyers, that would be cool. And actually, I had a guy was looking for a Bronco the other day. So hey, buddy, if you're watching my videos, I got one for you. So, like I said, you know, all the restoration work's been done in the last decade or so. Did we peek in the passenger side? Let's take a quick peek. Glass looks good. Hold on a second. You know, all the handles look good. Passenger seat, no rips or tears or anything like that. Not exactly sure what they came out of. I know who did the restoration work in the Reading area. Good, knowledgeable folks. Did the paint. I see the tag down there. At first I didn't know where the tag was, and but we got it, so we could, you know, we could decode it, figure out what it was born with. But this thing's sweet, guys. This thing's restored. It's got a great owner. It's got a great story. We're out in the mountains of Trinity County. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. It's got to be 95 plus, no matter what they're telling us. It's not a scorcher, but it's warm. It's got good chrome. It's got good glass. The lights and signals work. I saw one chip right there, guys. I don't know if, you know, maybe it was repaired, you know, where they put that stuff in it so it doesn't spread anymore. I never do that, but most sensible folks do. Let's put on the lights. And we'll take a quick peek and make sure everything's functioning. Yeah, oh, we got action back here. We got action back here. Let's check out the front. Oh yeah, we got action here. Bronco time. 66. Not cut up. You know what happens to these things. This one's been restored. It's been refurbished, but it's still pretty authentic. It's got a great look. That yellow color pops. I am Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Weaverville, California. You hear that? Just moved to Weaverville. We're taking this business to the next level. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. I love doing the consignments. I love helping the folks out. And so give me a call, 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. plattmotors.com is my website. Let's shut this down and wrap it up. I text, I email, but I love to talk, especially about first generation Ford Broncos. Feel free to give me a call anytime, and let's get you having some fun this summer. Load up, have some fun, cruise around town, car show ready, turnkey, head out, have some fun. Even if you're in the mountains, it can handle it. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. It's got the ooga horn. Doesn't get much better than that. So give me a call anytime. I appreciate you looking at my videos. Find me on social. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever the kids got, I got. That's how we do it. Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. Appreciate you riding along today. I look forward to talking to you soon. See ya.